Okay, I'm going to attempt to go outside and check it out. As you can see, my screen door is frozen condensation. Out the door we go. Somebody's been out. And this stuff's got to be a foot deep. Maybe I can just step in the holes that are already here. Oh man, like walking through molasses. And it's cold. To the parking lot. There's my truck. Looks like we've had a plow of some sort out here. There's the truck. Look at the bed is full of snow. Here, see where they're plowed. Looks like a snow trench. It's got to be up to my knees on either side. Okay. 6 below 0 here, so I guess I'll head back. Oh man. This is thick. Alright. Probably not very smart. Nope. Alright. I'm going home. And fix me something hot. A cup of coffee is in order. Alright. Back home.